Yemi Elesho live in the building, brother Nuru. As they look for film and for your contents, it can't come for real life.
I did come for real life.
If
you put water for my mouth, you go meet Andre when
and
you come back.
in the world of movie acting, how actors in details did they make their money?
Ha, come on. You can't be like, say, as I enter here, make I come, they tell you, say, how you make your money.
No.
You know they had any other thing now. You
I
produce your
want
film,
make you
get paid.
You introduce what?
You produce your film,
Okay.
you do it the normal way everyone does it.
What
then you
in be
get
that
paid.
normal way? Now the details I want. So now, as you did now, they do a lot of production. I see one of your production, that parody, where they imitate the Big Brother package. You see the runner?
Okay, yeah. Big Brother Kurodu.
Ikorodu version. Yeah. So whether a movie, na skit making, a content creating, how you make your money?
Well, all I do is...
You no one tell us the secrets.
No, there is no secret behind it.
Hey, come close to the mic now.
There is no secret behind it. You know, shoot my content, get to put it on the normal platforms that everyone knows that we use, the Facebook, YouTube. That's all.
That's all. And money will come to you.
Me, where I put something there, nobody say I want to generate something.
So now you never talk. So that you just put content for social media.
Like
money will just
it's not the way people they see and no be one big deal. Do your normal content, put it where how do I put it? On the normal platforms that we put it, Facebook, YouTube.
Yeah.
I don't know there are other platforms too. Those are the two platforms that is paying presently in Nigeria. Maybe I don't know of any other, but the ones where they pay now, Facebook, YouTube, put your content there. At the end of the month, you get paid.
Done.
It's whatever you do this month that you earn next month. Oh, see, journey.
Simple.
So you don't work. You
don't shop.
You know shop.
Now why they call our workshop now? As a work, you go shop.
If this month now you no shoot, you no upload anything, no worry. Next month, nothing they come for you.
Chai.
That's what it be.
Now, it gets one or two updates where we say, you go cast.
Who go cast?
You.
Oh, yeah, now.
All right. The way you relate with your female colleagues for the industry, the movie industry, I guess say a lot of females, especially the female actors, they get some kind.
They hear you now.
They get some kind wuru means we they climb the ladder for the industry, which the male actors are aware of. Oh, you don't know.
That's you they talk and I had the year.
Wow, from
so you where they always hear your own.
Oh, you want to confirm from what I'm getting my own? It's from the fans. You want me to go to the phone line and let the fans ask you directly? I'm the mouthpiece of the fans. This is the Shukma station, it's the Wazobia.
God, my beauty, but
I want to open the book. Okay, so more go direct. To the females, where they climb the ladder for the industry, how you go advise them to do better? Let's put it that way.
How I go advise them?
Okay, how you go advise them naturally?
The ones where they come or the ones where they
the one where they climb.
Me then they very hardworking now and be prayerful.
What? Then they pray?
Who know they pray?
Maybe they go on their knees to pray.
How do you pray?
Well, we can pray in different ways. You can lie down and pray. You can go on your knees to pray.
Pray na pray, Abi.
Yes.
Then shall pray. Then they very hardworking.
Any woman don't pray with you?
My wife they pray with me.
As actor where they grow for industry. If you they among your colleagues, your fellow actors, who you go say are they very comfortable to work with this person? Just like in terms of the male actors, the content creators. Yeah, let's start with
I don't want to mention names. Everybody, in as much as they are all actors, everybody.
But who they very troublesome and problematic to work with?
Troublesome.
Who they give you
the industry, both English and Yoruba.
Anyone?
Nobody.
Hey, this guy.
Nobody now. Why person go give me wahala until say you won't act? I won't act. Say it.
And I heard you used to farms Asake and Brother Sagi. Why are you doing that?
I didn't farms any one of them. But if you say at the farms Asake, you reach me person farms that boy now. Yeah. Ogoni now.
They follow everywhere, follow and go. I just said I go to the same school. Is that true?
That one are still gist. Mo know they talk about.
Okay, so
everyone
okay,
knows
all right.
it.
But you did truly farm them.
Mo sọ pé nǹkan ogójì ògo lọ kí ló ń ṣe máa yí ogójì ògo lọ o.
There's Ologo Rainbow. There's Ogo up and coming.
Ogo boy, yeah. So it's okay for me to say, Asake is my friend. You can read with the quantity kini, I know him. Are you mbala don say?
Okay.
Omo yen Ogo e. Say if I say na my friend, you say you no go rate me. Say boy no ni level. Yeah, for me to know Asake. No be say I even know na my.
Paddy.
So if you say I the farms am, baba, work hard, me person farms you.
Now, how helpful your theater tool dey for you now in the industry? Where you study for school?
So I've been there doing before I go school.
Yeah.
And when I reach school, come put more light on things where I've been and those little touch. Yeah.
You go no say this guy gentle ladies. This wild somebody. Go on.
So and when I come out to it's been there useful.
It's been there useful. Yeah. All right, so most people get the feeling. Who are these people? Most people get the feeling, say, get your own sense of originality. Because, say, you take on the style of your papa. I mean, you don't ever try like anything different besides the yabbing vibe and pattern of your daddy?
Well, now, the Alpha Ebenezer, say my papa they do anything Alpha. The Alpha Ebenezer are my own now. And the style of Bodanu Rusev.
You not bring the border bag, you know carry the bag. Go on.
Naturally, if I speak Yoruba, people they tell me, say, you they talk like your papa. I mean, I don't know. It'll be something where they purposely do. So that one they already say, and you never get one time when my papa sit me down, can't teach me how to yab or teach me how to. In fact, when my papa dey around, all in picking, nobody they parlor or they talk or they play. They no born you. Who born you? They're very strict now. Instead, still they wonder how I think they do all these things because you know give us a chance. A very strict man. You know if they parlor like this, all of us can't day. In fact, say if they watch TV and you can't sit down, you go one come and go just say, I sit down. My papa no get time for a very strict one.
See, no wonder you say they try to caution what they talk. If you hear anything, if you flog you.
Oh.
No, and that's the plane. But basically, it could be very legendary, a legacy for you to maintain, because your papa no be small person for industry, and we did very, very proud. I'm proud of you. My boy.
I'm proud of you too, White Money.
I don't hear that tire. You get one major content where I admire the Big Brother Ikorodu. You get people will be say they like that kind content. They want to imitate your style. Waiting be like I could call them like your round figure of costs to put such a production together.
Wait till I carry that in stand and be say, my friends, just tell me say, you feel do am. But apartment and be wala. Apartment 2 day cost.
You never get apartment for Orchid.
I never get to.
So all the money which away do not enter.
So to do am the normal way those people they do am, easy. Mic, camera, this and that. But I shot season 2 already.
Wow.
That one with the editor. That one come rig my do everything, come make sure say it's standard. So it's coming out soon.
Confirm.
My fans, abroad, everywhere that the year was Ruby FM. Thank you very much. It's I don't know.
So you fẹ́ kó gbọ́ tó yẹn. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀.
Mo pẹ́ sọ Yorùbá bí náà.
Wazobia.
Rode bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ
really sharp bẹ́ẹ̀.
Mo gọ̀ díẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tèmi nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi gbogbo bíkíbi tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ wa tẹ́ ẹ̀ rí wa wò. Ọ̀nà méjì ni wọ́n fi sí, wọ́n fi rédíò, wọ́n fi YouTube tó wọ́n yàn wá jẹ. Ọmọ adúpẹ́ o gbogbo ìgbà ẹ̀sìn o torí ẹ̀ ń bí a pé bo ni àwa ti ń rówó ẹ̀yin ọ̀sọ́ bí ẹ̀yin mú gbogbo eléyìí lọ tẹ́ mo sùn máa la olúwarẹ̀ máa jábọ̀ kẹ́mọ́ wa rí kọ́ńtẹ́ẹ̀tì lọ sí ẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹlòmíì.
Oh damn it man. You get one line where your pop city told the boss man, he say, Ọlọ́run máa try you tó dá yín mọ́ to die. Man, can you render that line again, please?
Iṣẹ́ ọlọ́mọ tó bí o, ó tún darú yín pọ̀ má kó so àwọn èèyàn gidi.
You feel it too, you hear the pop-up voice, Abi.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.